Hello and welcome back to my channel. Introducing the Apple Vision Pro headset, a groundbreaking device with a starting price of $3,500. This futuristic gadget has the potential to eventually replace smartphones. But how does it work? What are its advantages and drawbacks? And most importantly, why is Apple venturing into this realm? The Apple Vision Pro headset resembles a pair of goggles worn over the eyes. While they may not necessarily be considered fashion-forward like trendy auto-tinting sunglasses, Apple's primary focus is on achieving a seamless design. Despite being packed with more technology than any other consumer product available today, the headset is designed to feel lightweight and comfortable. So, how does it function? The most noticeable feature is the dual screens, one for each eye. In the real world, each eye perceives objects from slightly different angles, creating a sense of depth. The Apple Vision Pro replicates this effect in the digital realm, allowing users to experience a realistic sensation of reaching out and touching the objects they see. The screens boast an impressive pixel density, approximately 64 times higher than that of an iPhone screen. This ensures an incredibly sharp image quality, even when the eyes are in close proximity to the screens. It's important to note that the Apple Vision Pro headset is not merely a pair of entertainment glasses like those available for the past 15 years. Apple is envisioning this as the potential successor to smartphones, a platform for not only consuming content, but also for communication, self-expression, and accessing a wide range of applications in a whole new dimension. With an expansive screen filling the user's entire field of vision, the possibilities for app usage are virtually limitless. To achieve this, the hardware goes beyond just screens. The headset is equipped with a multitude of sensors visible at the bottom, including 3D cameras and LiDAR scanners for depth detection. These cameras continuously provide a 3D view of the user's surroundings, mimicking the natural functionality of human eyes. The depth sensors enable the placement of virtual apps within the physical environment. Notably, the apps even cast shadows and emit light spillage, creating a more immersive experience. While the Apple Vision Pro headset presents exciting possibilities, there are legitimate concerns associated with this technology. However, developers have long dreamed of such advancements, and it is remarkable that Apple has delivered a well-thought-out product in one fell swoop. It is evident that Apple aims to position this device as a social experience rather than isolating individuals within their own content. To emphasize this, the inside of the headset is equipped with a secondary set of cameras, reminiscent of the dual cameras found in current smartphones. This setup has implications for eye tracking and potential interactions. The Apple Vision Pro headset is essentially a pair of goggles that you wear over your eyes. While they may not win any fashion points like the auto-tinting sunglasses I'm testing, the focus here is on creating a seamless and comfortable design. Despite housing more advanced technology than any other consumer product available, Apple has managed to maintain a lightweight and unobtrusive feel. So, how does it function? The standout feature is the presence of dual screens, one for each eye. In the real world, our eyes perceive depth due to seeing objects from slightly different angles. The Apple Vision Pro replicates this effect in the digital realm, allowing users to experience a realistic sense of depth and the ability to interact with virtual objects. The screen quality is outstanding, with approximately 64 times the pixel density of an iPhone screen, ensuring a sharp and immersive visual experience. However, it's important to note that the Apple Vision Pro headset goes beyond a simple entertainment device. Apple envisions it as the potential successor to smartphones, a platform for communication, self-expression, and accessing various applications in a whole new dimension. With a screen that fills the user's entire field of vision, there's practically unlimited space for apps. The hardware includes an array of sensors, such as 3D cameras and LiDAR scanners, to create a realistic and interactive augmented reality experience. In addition to its remarkable capabilities, the Apple Vision Pro headset emphasizes social interaction. The inside of the headset is equipped with a secondary set of cameras akin to the dual cameras found on smartphones. This enables the device to track eye movements and facial expressions, translating them into a photorealistic digital avatar during FaceTime calls. Moreover, the external screen projects a 3D model of the user's eye movements, allowing others to observe and engage with their virtual interactions. This innovative feature helps address concerns about the wearer's focus and intentions. The internal cameras also serve as a means of control, and this is where the Apple Vision Pro truly excels. It tracks the movement of the user's pupils and irises, providing a seamless way to authenticate and unlock the device. Moreover, it accurately detects the user's gaze, effectively turning their eyes into a cursor for interacting with virtual elements. The device's large field of view ensures precise tracking, and users can also use their fingers to navigate, thanks to the camera's ability to recognize hand movements. This natural interaction method enhances the sense of integration between the user and the VR/AR environment. While the Apple Vision Pro headset offers exciting possibilities, there are legitimate concerns surrounding the technology. Nevertheless, developers have long awaited advancements like this, and Apple's implementation of a well-thought-out product is remarkable. The company aims to establish the headset as a social experience rather than isolating individuals within their virtual worlds. The decision to incorporate an external battery pack is a strategic move by Apple, and I believe it was the right decision. By doing so, a significant portion of the weight and size of the headset can be redistributed, which is crucial for a device designed for daily wear. Although it remains relatively heavy due to its glass and aluminum construction, being standalone and portable is a major advantage. The inclusion of a dedicated battery pack allows for quick battery swaps, eliminating the need to take off the headset and recharge it. While spare batteries may be an additional cost, the decision to go with an external battery pack enabled Apple to bring the product to market sooner. If Apple had waited for a time when they could integrate the battery into the headset itself, this technology might have remained on the shelf for another decade. By launching it now, Apple is ensuring that in 10 years, the technology will be far more advanced than if they had waited for perfection in the first iteration. The purpose of this video is not to encourage immediate purchase of the Apple Vision Pro headset, but rather to validate the potential of AR and VR as the next chapter in technology. With this headset now available, the use cases for this technology are bound to improve rapidly. It marks an exciting era in technology, and while it brings immense anticipation, there are also concerns about its impact on human connections and shared experiences. Nonetheless, Apple's optimistic gamble and their meticulous preparation could position them as leaders in this evolving market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.